As the gaming community counts down to the February 22nd, 2024 release of Nightingale, excitement has been tempered by reports of the game not working correctly on PC. Players eager to dive into the immersive, shared world survival crafting game have encountered various technical difficulties ranging from installation issues to performance glitches. The developers are actively addressing these concerns, engaging with the community to provide updates and workarounds. As they iron out these launch wrinkles, players are advised to check if their systems meet the game's requirements, ensuring a smoother entry into Nightingale's fantastical realms. Recommended requirements are: before embarking on their journey through the mystical portals of Nightingale, players should ensure their PCs align with these specifications to mitigate potential launch disappointments. The development team's commitment to resolving these issues signifies their dedication to delivering a captivating gaming experience. As we approach Nightingale's launch, staying informed on the latest updates and preparing your PC accordingly will be key to enjoying the wonders and dangers of its realms. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.